Welcome to our Wonder World, Wonder Kids AI.
Welcome to our magic drawing adventure. Let's draw together. Every great drawing starts with one simple shape. Wow, our circle is alive. So funny. Let's give our drawing beautiful eyes. It's becoming alive. Great! Now let's draw a cute little nose. Our drawing is getting cuter. Wow, it's getting cuter. Our little friend can hear us now. Now let's all draw together. We did it together. Now let's add beautiful colors together. Thank you, friends. Let's finish our cute friends. It's dancing! Yeah! Let's make our picture even more beautiful. It's so colorful. It's glowing. Look, it's jumping. Whoa, it's alive. Let's dance with it. This is so fun. Wow, our drawing is alive.
Like, share, subscribe today. See you soon. Hooray, hooray.